The S2000, a Honda roadster, is renowned. Sports car enthusiasts are drawn to the automobile's exhilarating ride, robust engine, and timeless allure. With the introduction of the S2000, Honda marked its 50th year in the market. Immediately, both critics and enthusiasts of sports cars commended it. Even after its discontinuation in 2009, sports car collectors and enthusiasts continue to have a strong affinity for the S2000. Recent media has concentrated on the vehicle's triumphant resurgence in the latter half of 2025. Without access to precise details regarding the design of the 2025 Honda S2000, we can derive plausible approximations by referencing previous models and prevailing patterns within the industry. Advanced LED headlights have the potential to supplant halogen ones. Dynamic lighting capabilities allow for the adjustment of light output based on speed and road conditions. Incorporating aggressive and aerodynamic mesh grills can enhance the car's sporty profile. Certain automobile grills house engine and brake air ducts beneath them. The S2000 2025 is expected to sport a streamlined and aerodynamic design, marked by strong contours that highlight its high performance and speed. Additional sportier body kits and smaller profiles will be incorporated into the design. According to projections, the roof design of the convertible S2000 will have lighter and more contemporary materials, an improved folding mechanism, and a more streamlined appearance. Stability and traction are anticipated to be achieved with the inclusion of a rear diffuser, carbon fiber accents, and an integrated spoiler. Although we lack comprehensive knowledge of the 2025 Honda S2000, we can rely on the preferences of sports car enthusiasts and the most recent automotive advancements to create an informed prediction about its powertrain. If the automotive sector is committed to advancing more potent and fuel-efficient vehicles, the 2025 S2000 could be equipped with a turbocharged four-cylinder engine. Turbocharging engines with displacements of 2.0 to 2.5 liters can decrease fuel consumption and enhance power and torque.